Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My partner KD and I will be presenting the ecological view of Klia's wildlife that we have went to as a part of our field study. Without further delay, we will proceed with the presentation. Klia's wetland is a mangrove forest reserve located at Pofot Sabah, popular among tourists for mainly having bizarre-looking proboscis monkeys, fireflies, birds, crocodiles, and other species of animal. The Klias wetland, with its large proboscis monkey population, is fast becoming the latest ecotourism destination in Sabah. We have recorded our observations through taking pictures of the wildlife, but some pictures may be blurry as we were limited by our camera's technology. Firstly, we have the proboscis monkey with its distinguishable bright orange color, fireflies that you may not see clearly in the picture, long-tailed macaques that can be identified by its long silver tail. These were the birds we have observed, but we are not certain with its species as we did not have any equipments for bird watching at that time. Next, we have our most memorable species of plants that we catch sight of while we're at the wetland, which were the mangroves, nipa tree, and the balunu tree. Next, I will talk about the trophic level that was observed. The first trophic level, which is the primary producer where most of the species found, was fruit-producing plants as they were the main source of foods for the animals there. Then we have the second trophic level, which is the primary consumer, which were the monkeys and birds. Next, I would like to pass the presentation to my partner.
So for interaction, we have selected 3 species to be discussed. The first one is the proboscis monkey. So they live in groups, 5 to 7 members in a group, and then they have some space between them. It was like 1 to 2 meters. While they were resting or eating, and then they were clump. So it was like they live in groups, but only on certain area of the mangrove wetland. So this is a common response to uneven distribution of resources in their environment. And for interaction, we expect there is some intraspecific competition due to mating and limited resources, so mainly food and space. So the second one is prey predator. So as we know that monkey or proboscis monkey can eat both plant and other animal. So yeah, they might prey on other animal like small rodent or maybe even fish. And then we have fireflies. So fireflies also live in groups, hundreds of members in a group, although we notice some individual fireflies flying around. And then while laying on leaf on some trees, they have space between them. And then they are also like the proboscis monkey, they are clump. They can only be seen on certain trees in that mangrove area. So the interaction is cannibalism because some of the adult fireflies might eat each other other than eating pollen or nectar. They have prey predator in the larva stage. So like in the larva stage, they can eat like small insect. And then we have birds. So as we can see in the picture, some of them live in groups. The one that we observed was like 5 to 10 members in a group, and then some live individually, and then the one that in the group have like space between each other. So they were like mostly herbivorous because the one that observed were like eating small fruits, and then there might be some inter-specific competition between different species of bird due to limited resources, mainly the fruit. So in summary, we have the type of interaction, which is herbivorous, omnivorous, cannibalism. We also have intraspecific and interspecific competition. For trophic level, we have level 1, which is fruit producing plant and flowering plant, which is the primary producer, and then level 2, which we have the consumer, which is monkeys and birds. So there might be other level 3, which is also the consumer, but this is what we have observed. And in conclusion, we have gained a very valuable real-life experience and knowledge with our dear colleague, and this is a very good hands-on for our courses. Thank you.